In this video, I will be showing you how to animate text in Canva video. Once you're on your video, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do is go over to the left-hand menu option, and from there you can select text. After selecting text, you can select the text style that you would like to use. Once you have selected the text style, you can type in whatever you want. So let's say I'm creating a video for a birthday, so I could type in happy birthday right here. Let's do that real quick. After you have done that, now to animate your text, all you'll need to do is select the text box. Then from there, you could tap on animate in the top right hand corner right here. After you have done that, you can see different animation options that you can choose from on the left hand corner right here, and you can select the animation option that best suits you. So all you'll need to do is tap on the one that you would like to use. Let's say for example that one. After you have tapped on it, you can select both. You can select on entry or on exit, as you can see right here. So you have different options you can choose from. And if we were on the paid plan, we'll have even more options, as you can see right there. And by scrolling down, you can also add these options, as you can see there. Now, another thing that I would also recommend, if you would like to further animate it, what I would recommend you do is add a second text box. So let's say, for example, we want to add a different animation for a different text section. So let's say happy birthday right here, and then I would like to type in the person's name. So let's say for example happy birthday Leo. So let's do that real quick, and I would like to add a separate animation for Leo. So all I would need to do after setting up a different text box, I would tap on animate once more. After tapping on animate, I'm going to add a different animation option. So let's say for example I want it to pop, so I could do that right there. After doing that, you can see it right there. And another thing that you can also do is you can go over to the top left hand corner, and by tapping on page animations right there, you can animate the entire page, as you can see right here. So that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.